Welcome students. In the video la 9th standard science refresher module la irka 11th topic air oda evaluation paaka porom. Choose the best answer. First one, which of the following is true about oxygen? Support burning. Aerated water contains carbon dioxide. Solvay process is a method to manufacture sodium carbonate. Carbon dioxide with water changes blue litmus to red. Which of the following is known as azote? Answer is nitrogen. Fill in the blanks. First one, dash is called as vital life. Answer is oxygen. Nitrogen is dash than air, lighter. Third one, dash is used as a fertilizer, nitrogen. Dry ice is used as a refrigerant. The process of conversion of iron into hydrated form of oxides is called rusting. Third Roman letter, answer the following. Mention the physical properties of oxygen. First point, oxygen is a colorless, odorless and tasteless gas. Second point, it is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. Third point, oxygen dissolves readily in cold water. Fourth point, it is denser than air. Fifth point, it can be made into liquid, that is liquefied at high pressure and low temperature. Sixth point, it supports combustion. Second question, list out the uses of nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen is used as a refrigerant. It provides an inert atmosphere for conducting certain chemical reactions. It is used to prepare ammonia by Haber's process, which is then converted into fertilizers and nitric acid. Nowadays, it is used as a substitute for compressed air in tires. It is used for filling the space above mercury in high temperature thermometer to reduce the evaporation of mercury. Many explosives such as trinitrotoluene TNT, nitroglycerin and gunpowder contains nitrogen. It is used for the preservation of foods, manufacturing of stainless steel, reducing fire hazards and as a part of the gas in incandescent light bulbs. Write about the reaction of nitrogen with nonmetals. Nitrogen reacts with nonmetals like hydrogen, oxygen, etc. at high temperature to form their corresponding nitrogen compounds. That is, a nonmetal with nitrogen on heating gives nitrogen compound. For example, hydrogen plus nitrogen gives ammonia. What is global warming? An average increase in the temperature of the atmosphere is called as global warming. What is dry ice? What are its uses? Solid carbon dioxide is called as dry ice, is used as a refrigerant. The gas is so cold that moisture in the air condenses on it, creating a dense fog which is used in stage shows and movie effects. It is used along with ammonia in the manufacture of fertilizers like urea. Carbon dioxide can be used in the preservation of food grains, fruits, etc. That's all about this evaluation. உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது doubt இருந்துச்சுன்னா kindly post in the comment section. Thank you.